everybody, this is Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. I have a little share for you today. This is my little Happy Hearts mini album. I made this using the Simon Says stamp Happy Fall Y'all October card kit. I will have a tutorial for you. I won't go into too much detail about the kit itself because I left that for the tutorial video. But I wanted to show you the album and just kind of talk a little bit about looking at supplies that you may already have or things that you think that possibly you'd like to have, like this card kit, because you know they're cute. You can do other things with them if you're not really a card maker. And I wanted to show you a mini album made with one of the kits. I will have a cut list for this somewhere. It'll either be in the description box below or there'll be a link to it in this description box below. Anyways, this album, really cute. I'm very happy with the way it came out, and this is something that you can put together if you need a quick gift for a friend or you know, that kind of thing. This is a project that you can put together in a day, you know, in an afternoon, whatever. So I'm hoping to kind of give you a little bit of inspiration there. So on the cover, we have a 6" by 4.5" cover. The spine is of course 6 inches by 1.25 inches. And I used the stamp set that came in the kit. It's a really cute stamp set. Let me show it to you real quick. That came in the kit to do the cover. So what I did on the front is I actually stamped on the pattern paper for the trees, and I show you where I gleaned this inspiration from in the introduction, the tutorial as well. So I stamped the trees, I stamped the little owl and all the let me back up. I stamped the trees onto the pattern paper that they give you, as well as the little scarf here that the owl is wearing. Everything else is stamped and cut out, and this is one of the stamps in the kit, and I just heat embossed that. I used some of the pattern paper as the ground there, and then I just kept this design in order to stretch the paper. I kept this design all the way around the book. So if you open it up, it's kind of one continuous scene if you open it up. Really, really cute. Got my bear here in his funky fall sweater. Did some more stamping on the trees, cut out some of the leaves that I had left over from the pattern paper and glued those on as if the leaves were blowing through the wind. The mushrooms. And then I colored everything with alcohol markers. And I even colored in, so I wouldn't have to stamp it twice on different paper, but I colored in the trunk and the branches of the trees with the alcohol marker too. So when you open this up, we have a pocket on the front. This paper is really cute. Could not resist making a mini album out of this. That was not my intention. My intention was to make cards, but we got a mini album. So part of the paper, there are some cut out parts in the paper. And I just stuck one of those in the little pocket here. I cut out some of the flowers left over from the paper and put those there as a decoration. These are actually in the stamp set, and so I just stamped those out and color them in. But the first page is an interactive page, so you open it up this way. And I just left everything, you know, you can do, the sky's the limit. You can leave this plain, you can totally go overboard with things that are already in your stash. I left this kind of plain because it is a small album, and so we're gonna be focusing on the photos. But I know that's kind of crazy for me because I do some crazy stuff sometimes, but so it opens up this way, and I will show you how to make these pages in the tutorial. When you flip it over, you have a pocket here and a photo mat. So I just took some of the extra paper and edged out the photo mat. we have a page here. This first page is made with some of the paper that comes in the kit. So they give you 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. And so that's what this is. This is one complete sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. Then they also give you some envelopes. Very quickly, I wanna just explain this really quickly in case you're not gonna watch the tutorial. So I used two of the pages, two of the 8.5 by 11, pieces of paper. And then I used the envelopes that they gave me to make a page. So this is one of the envelopes. And then you flip that over and there, it is a pocket up top. So half of it is, you cut a little sliver, not half of it, sorry. You cut a little sliver to attach to the hinge on one side, and then you cut the sliver off the top to make it a pocket. So this is also another piece of paper that they give you in the kit, and I chose to make photo mats out of it. I did some little, just kind of pen work here, some little, I guess, faux stitching, whatever you want to call it. Again, using some of the leftover pattern paper for the edges, blank on the back. This is another one of the 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper used as an interactive page. I have some little mushrooms down here that I did from the stamp kit, again stamped, colored in with some alcohol markers, and then cut out and just glued onto the page. But this page is the same, where it opens up this way, and then you close it and it opens up again this way. On this one, I decided to do another little pocket. These little puffy stickers, really, really cute stickers. They give you uppercase and lowercase. These are included in the kit, and they have this cute, tiny little embellishment on them. I think they're adorable, but I chose to use fall and make fall falling. These are some little things that little flowers and hearts that I cut out of what I had left of the paper and stuck those on there. And here's another one of the cut up parts. That goes in there. And then again, on the back side, another pocket with another little photo mat. And more of the stamp set. So I've got the 3 little leaves, and I love the little birds. So I actually turned them into, I made them red, turned them into cardinals. Pumpkins here from the stamp set, cut out, colored and cut out. This page is another envelope. And then another photo mat, again with the stitching. I did not do the stitching on these photo mats. Oh, where's the other one at? Oh, it's right here. I didn't do the stitching on these photo mats because this is, this paper has texture to it. I don't know if you could see that, but I used the paper that was in my stash for these photo mats. And then you flip that over, there's the back side, and then the back of the book. That's it, really simple. I used most of the things in the kit. Let's see, what else did I want to tell you? Yeah, I used most of the things in the kit, and then, so the only thing that I had to add was the paper to cover the cover, when I made the cover, as well as this paper to make these photo mats. So really easy to do. You know, again, you can put this together in a few hours. It was a lot of fun to do different things. Now all my pages in this are, obviously they're all different colors. I like the way that turned out. I think it looks really cute. You can pick any paper you want for your background. I had meant to do this in a brown paper, the craft paper, and I am such a creature of habit, I automatically reached for my black paper, but I still think it turned out really, really cute, and I really love the cover on this. So just a little, hopefully a little bit of inspiration for something different. If you're thinking about joining one of these well, at least Simon Says Stamp. I know I can do it with Simon Says Stamp, and I'm going to continue my subscription. This fall was the first one, And I want to see what else I can come up with. Maybe a December daily for, you know, December, and we'll just kind of see what else I could come up with, as well as being able to use the kit to make cards, which was my intention in the first place. But so, all right, I hope you all are doing well. Thanks everybody for watching, and I will see you back here real soon. Thanks so much. Bye.